Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee paper. Start by collecting used coffee grounds and clean water, then gather a blender, a mold and decal, and some mesh. Break down the grounds into a pulp with water in short pulses and strain to a workable consistency. Pour evenly into the mold, press out excess water, and transfer to absorbent cloths for drying. I will guide you through each practical step with friendly tips. Begin by soaking grounds for several hours to soften fibers and release binders, then blend with measured water until you get a pulpy slurry. Pour a thin, even layer into the mold, lift gently to drain, and press between cloths or a sponge to remove excess water. Patience during pressing produces flatter sheets, and consistent pour volume keeps thickness uniform. I will explain pressing pressure and drying locations that work best. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping, so spilled grounds and paper scraps disappear with minimal effort. It's a small convenience that keeps your workspace tidy between batches. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once sheets feel leather-like, move them to a flat surface and let them air dry fully out of direct sun to prevent curling. If you want smoother paper, place multiple sheets under a heavy board for several hours to flatten and compact fibers. Trim edges with scissors or a craft knife, and consider adding plantable seeds or ink-safe sizing for writing. I will share creative uses and storage tips to keep them usable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.